Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw edit the record. In this class, I'm going to teach how to delete the record. If you click the delete button, entire row need to be deleted. So how to do? So first we have to go to the backend part. So the backend, first I'm going to go to the routes API section. Here I'm going to make the API section. You have to make the route, delete route. So delete section, you have to write like this. Don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. Route, delete. If the URL coming, delete, space delete, the ID. Get the particular row ID and delete the entire row, right? So the controllers folder reside on here, the destroy method. If you are clicking it goes to the destroy method, right? So destroy method we have to create over here in the employee controller. Here I'm going to this method, copy and paste it over here. Public function destroy. What is the ID coming on the routes? The delete scores particular along with the ID. So if you call the destroy method, it's go to the employee controller, get the ID destroy method. Here this what is the variable you have created, the employees. Here this one should be the our employee table, right? It's a model, employee model. You find the ID and delete the entire row, and the this one should be the employee deleted. We are called employee. This is the thing. This is how the programming works. Very simple, right? This is how the program works. Very simple, right? Now the backend is finished. Just simple thing. Only the first you have to call the how the process run. First you have to write the routes. After that we have controller we have defined like this. After that we have to go to the backend part. We have to save all. Make sure it's save all. Then only it will be applied. What was the problem? Sorry. The problem is here. Two times I had copied this one. So function you have to paste it over here. Right. Now here we have a employee. Employer change to employee. So employee, you have to be careful, right? It's very important stuff, right? It goes to the destroy, right? So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my view. Here I'm going to, after the delete data, this data is started here, this one here, it is closing here. Here I'm going to create a, when you click the remove button, here we have a on click method. You have to copy this one, same thing, copy it. We have to paste it over here. What is employee? Why, what's the problem? Right, this one, add, copied, paste it over here. Right, this one should be remove. Here I'm going to change the name as remove. Right, now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to, the function you have to create as remove function I'm going to create. You have to, here this update data starting here, closing here. Here I'm going to create this remove method, right? Remove method also I will done. So I get this one, the remove employee. Right, now here you can see here, when you click the remove delete button, it's come to the method which is a remove method. Coming here, it get the employee, it's remove it, right? So here let's test that this is the employee ID. Whether it's working fine or not, I'll be explain it. Right, so let's save all. Let's back to the front end, click delete button. Message display but record is not right. The problem is here, the URL problem is coming from here, not the front end part. It is the route. The route there is a problem. It's a URL problem. All right, this is not contact control, this is employee control. Right, perfect. The controllers you must, this are all the controllers names. Employee controller. It goes to the delete ID, it goes to destroy controller. Employee controller. So here go to the employee controller and do the stuff, right? So that's why it's not deleted. Right now, if it is a problem with the front end, it will be error will be getting, right? So here it's nothing problem. So I am going to delete this row. Click delete button, press enter key. Now let's refresh it. Here it's deleted. Now if you are delete this record, click delete button, refresh it, it's deleted. Right now I want to, after delete that, I want to refresh the record. Right here you have to call this one, this employee load, this function you have to call. Right now here, if I delete this record, click OK. Now here it's loaded. Right. I hope you guys you understood the Crud system tutorial well. Now I'm going to create a new record. Is Raja, address India, mobile number, something like that. Click save button. Record saved, you can see here, right? Now if I refresh it here, newly created record will be there. Now if you click delete and edit, if you edit, you will be able to edit the record here. Click save, record updated here. So everything is fine, right? If you click delete, the record has been deleted, right? So here if you click delete, right? Now let's do the quick way. Here this load method also we have to put it the save data as well. When you get the save method, it will be here. Load the data here. In order to delete the record, you have a two ways. This is one way. You have another way. You have to comment it. This one. This is another way. URL. This way also you have to study whether if this way is not working. If you are put it the some styles inside this function, the confirmation, CSS confirmation. Okay, you go and type the Google the bootstrap CSS confirmation. Sometime this code is not, if you have put this code inside the confirmation box, it's not working. That time you can put this code, it's working, right? Both are same, but the problem is on here. This one, this is symbol you have put, but where you get this one is this here is above the tab key, you can see this symbol. Okay, above the tab key, open and close the symbol. Inside the symbol, you have to type this one. This is a URL, API deal URL. This is the ID variable. The same thing, but you have to put like this. That's it. That's the thing you have to. The same delete function is works. Right? Save all and get it back and check. Delete. Record deleted. Here. Fine. I hope you guys understood my tutorial well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. This how we have to do the Crud application using Laravel and Vuejs. I hope you guys understood stuff. The same Crud application I'm planning to teach in Angular and React. Okay, how the front end communicate with the Laravel and front end applications, right? That is very helpful to develop your industrial skills in Laravel project, right? Thank you for watching. These are the industrial standard I will teach you. Do the program